checked with the Archaeomag and with the C-14. And that's how we actually then reconstructed what happened to the Maya and when it happened, critically to understand the Maya collapse in this particular case. Does that make sense? So you do not just use one technique, is my point. You're always going to use multiple techniques. Because you're using multiple techniques, each one of them has their own assumptions and their own error factors associated with them. And as a consequence of that, you have to understand and work within the error limits of those dates. You have to know where their upper and lower spans are statistically, and you have to understand that this and this are actually a match if they statistically overlap.